Welcome back. This session will explain how to use the QR code feature in Kinco DToolsPro software. QR code function is typically applied in industrial manufacturing, logistics, warehousing, and equipment management. It supports multi-station collaboration, process traceability, and permission control with dynamic data interaction capabilities to enhance security. It converts text into a QR code, and you can view the corresponding text content by scanning the QR code. Open the QR code editor and bind a string type variable. The maximum data length is 512 bytes. In the action part, select the error correction level from the 4 options below. You can also modify the display color of the QR code. The 4 error correction levels, from left to right, show the QR codes generated for the same character. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.